Right, so today is Sunday and essentially it's the start of the week, right? A real day trader is going to start their week off right before the markets are even open. So it's about 8 o'clock right now, golden hour. It's so beautiful outside. I normally take this time to go ahead and clear my head, get ready for the week ahead. And yeah, so I'm going to go for a drive right now. We're probably going to go get some food by the marina because it's beautiful out right now. And then when I get back, it's very important. I have my pre-market analysis to do, which I'm going to be doing live in the Discord, and essentially starting the week off correctly. And this video here is going to be from now until the end of tomorrow, taking you through exactly what a day in my life looks like as a full-time trader. So hopefully you enjoy, and let's get it on with.
Your eyes, they all over me. Don't be shy. Take control of me.
The weather makes me feel like this song now.
Baby girl, you give me 10 ton of fatness. Give me some of that.
I was scrolling reels while I was driving and I thought that's so fucking funny. That's her. It's original? What year? Like what? What year? Wow, cool, bro.
Let me acknowledge the way you do. Then I would not lie, baby. You beat me up like Scotty. It's how hypnotic the way you move. That's why I wanted to get to you. And I would not lie, baby.
See here exactly what I'm talking about, right? You know, I just spoke to you about the fake market structure shift. You have that right here. You have higher high, higher low, and it does this, right? And then everyone thinks that because it broke these lows here, that now it's going to continue down. This is a fake market structure shift, and then it continues up. So you need to be looking at what you think a market structure shift is as liquidity, and you need to be looking at where key liquidity rests. Honestly, on ES, I would have liked to see that break this low here, but it didn't. Essentially, you're perma bullish this week on ES, no matter what really happens, unless obviously some crazy news comes out. What's the best way to stay patient whilst trading? Spend as little time on the charts as physically possible. That's the number one way to do it. Like, spend literally as little time as possible on the charts. What's more important, liquidity or structure? That's like asking what's more important, your brain or your heart, right? You need both. So they're both equally as important. I would argue liquidity though, because the market can't move without liquidity, but to take a position you need both. Hi guys, good morning. So the time currently is 9 AM. Just woke up like a couple of minutes ago. And we're gonna get the day started. Now, it's actually crazy. Last night we were doing the pre-market analysis. And I told you guys how important it was to start the week off on Sunday, start the week off with the correct analysis. And I literally just checked the Discord. And we have someone in the Discord right now who just made $900 off of the exact pre-market analysis. Literally said how spot on it is. So that's a good start to the week, I guess. As you can see right now, it's so sunny in Cyprus, such a beautiful day out here. So we're gonna go make the most of that. We're gonna go make the most of that and probably go to the gym, get a coffee, train, and then maybe sunbathe a little bit and do some work. We got a new gym that we go to now, which is unbelievable. It's right in the marina next to the yachts. And it's just a great way to start the morning, right? Get the head right. I told you guys yesterday I'm not trading until New York session anyway. One of the good changes that I've made recently is I used to trade London, and now I've just switched to New York Open only. So I'm literally only trading a couple of hours per day. And what that means is I have the mornings free now, so I can prioritize other stuff, which is super important for me. It means that I don't have to worry about being on the charts and missing a setup, right? And that's led to me being so much more productive with stuff like the content, with my other businesses. I also just got a text from my property guy. So like, if you guys are struggling with being on the charts all day, one of the main things that I do recommend is that you go ahead and actually just stick to a specific time window. So whether that be only trading Asia, London, New York, either way, it's always a positive to do that. But what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna get ready for the gym. We're gonna go hit a nice little chest day. I'll take you guys with me, and then we'll start the day off right properly, and we'll get back, get on the charts, and see what happens. Oh, I have to show you something as well. Recently, I've been getting super into padel, like even more. I got a little bit obsessed, and we went a little bit crazy. Like we've got 1 racket, 2 racket, 3 racket, 4, 5. Kind of insane. But there we have it. Super nice as well now that it's finally summer in Cyprus, because I feel like the island sort of falls asleep over winter. That's like it's our first year here, and that's genuinely, I think, one of the biggest mistakes we made this year was staying here over the winter. I think next winter we'll do some more skiing, and then probably Asia, to be honest, like spend winter off the island, because Cyprus is unbelievable during summer. It's one of the best places on the planet, but everybody leaves after summer's over. During winter there's not much to do. Everyone seems super depressed as well. Like the locals over winter were super rude, and then in summer now everyone's smiling, everyone's happy. So I don't know, but it feels great because everything's coming back alive. We might have to cut this workout short as well, because my property guy just messaged me saying that one of the developers that he knows wants a meeting, and he said, like, can we do this morning? So this is why I like having my mornings free and not trading, is because now I can actually say yes to something like this. But we'll see what he says. And this is the great thing about not having a job and not being employed as well, is that like no 2 days are the same. So stuff like this happens, you just get spontaneous meetings and you go and meet new people. Every day is exciting. There's always a new thing to do, right? Which is cool. It's super fun. But anyway, I need to hit a workout because I'm losing all my muscles.
My body's burning for you, wanting and waiting for more. Give me only you can give me.
Can I pay it now with cash or no?
Yes, no, it's online only.
So we just got stopped by the police. I just got given a €100 fine for not having a front number plate on my car, which is fun. How am I going to put the number plate back on? We'll see. Come on. Imagine starting off the morning like somewhere like this. It's literally like yachts in the marina when you train. Everything like that is just, I don't know, such a good way to start with positive vibes, positive mindset. Even though we just got a fine from the police, it's just, I don't know, yeah, a great way to stay positive, which I think is really nice. Alright, so a little pre-workout. We got, I'm not going to eat this, but it looks good. Wait, how do I open this?
Okay.
Little pastry, and then nice little espresso. Sit and look at the boats and think how poor I am. And then we'll try and hit a workout. But yeah, not a bad start to the day.
Oh, look at this yacht, though.
That's my one. I just parked it there for the weekend. It's a Monday. Alright guys, so this is not really like a regular occurrence, maybe 2 to 3 times a week, but I had a paddle tournament yesterday. So I'm super sore in my muscles, which you might not think, but yeah, I'm super sore. So I like to get in like 20-30 minutes of sauna, and then after that we'll jump in the pool quickly, wake ourselves back up because the sauna makes you super sleepy. But yeah, really good way to start the day. I feel so good after leaving here, like my legs and my elbows, all of that sort of stuff that's sore right now will be better and recovered. And sauna's just super beneficial for like your longevity in terms of your like actual health as well. So yeah, 3-4 times a week, something like that, we like to do it. And yeah, we'll spend 20 minutes in here, go jump in the pool, and yeah, enjoy. It's literally the best feeling though. I feel like you get super refreshed. That's a good way to start the day, no?
Yeah.
Feel alive again. It's crazy as well because it's like 12 o'clock right now. Most people would like already be halfway through the day, but because of the way Cyprus time zones work, we're 2 hours ahead of the rest of Europe. So I get 2 hours in the morning extra on top of waking up early, which is like the best thing. It's like a Cyprus advertisement right now, but it's like the best thing that you can do. And that's one of the best things about Cyprus, which gives me so much time in the mornings. And then you just stay up a little bit later at night, which I love anyway. But there's a little bit extra freedom, right? Alright, so we just got back. Now I need to eat. So luckily my personal chef has made some eggs, which are fire, and then a chicken and bacon sort of salad thing, which I'm super excited to eat. Then I've got a stream. So if you don't know already, I stream every single Monday for New York Stock Exchange Open. So make sure you turn up to that if you are watching before a Monday. And I also stream in the Discord every other day. So make sure you jump into that. The link will be in the description. And yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy, get ready for stream, and then hopefully we can make some money in the markets today. But we'll see. Anyway, let's try this shit. Banging. Absolutely banging. Yeah guys, this is chop now. We are actually ripping down off this level though. Like absolutely melting off of all-time high. No way we come, wait, actually let's stay and watch this. There's no way we come all the way back down, chat. Can you imagine? Okay, so we just hit a absolute banger trade and started off the day pretty slowly, to be honest. I streamed on YouTube, didn't catch any positions, which is unfortunate, because I wanted to catch one on YouTube with the free stream, just because I like to give back every now and again, but unfortunately, weren't able to catch it. However, the analysis that I did on the stream played out a couple of hours later, so if you did turn up to the free YouTube stream, and you watched the analysis and you took notes, then you would have made money, okay? But ended up taking some nice NQ longs, which ended up netting us, if I can just show you, 2,700, I also got a break even, but $2,700 for the day on one account. And then on futures, another 2,000. So we're up 4.7K on the day, which is pretty decent. Super good that the analysis played out for the members in the private group, but also if you were on stream, you would have taken it as well. Let me show you the trade right now. So we'll jump inside. And a pretty simple trade, right? We had very clear consolidation on NQ here. Like basically a very strong accumulation phase, if I can change the color of this. Very strong accumulation phase here, right? Then this purple line that I've marked out right here is Asia low. So what ended up happening is I wanted Asia low to get taken. I said to the guys, we need to take Asia lows before we get any longs. You can see right here, longs played out, but we didn't take Asia lows. Then it ended up coming all the way back to where my analysis was. We ended up taking Asia lows. Then we had a 5-minute sky dweller play, which is a textbook entry, literally A+++++. So very simple. All you had to do was jump in on that 5-minute sky dweller play. TP went to all-time highs. As you can see, it ended up coming up nicely, taking out TP. And then if you look on this screen, we have all of the members that ended up taking it. This one here is a one-on-one student, $1,200. You have loads of shit here. Who else took it? Yeah, this guy took it. This guy took it. Super, super clean. Literally a perfect day of trading. I couldn't have literally scripted it for the vlog any better, which is great. So now what I need to do is I'm going to break it down for the one-on-one students. I always do like a PA breakdown at the end of the day and a trade recap. I'm going to make some Instagram videos, make some content, and then the rest of the day is mine. It's literally, what time is it? 6 o'clock right now, so I worked for maybe 5 hours today. Not constantly trading, doing other stuff as well, but that was it. Super simple. That's the day, and I'll make these videos and then I'll take you throughout the rest of the day. Fuck it, we'll see. Right, boys, so I know I said I wasn't going to be playing paddle this week, but I just finished off a call with one of my one-on-one students, and I finished off doing all of the stuff I need to do for them. So like sending them the videos of the PA breakdown, all of that sort of stuff. And one of my friends messaged me and said they needed one more person for a paddle game. Super late notice, like I literally have to leave right now. But I'm addicted, so I can't turn it down. And yeah, we're gonna go to the paddle club. It's literally like 5 minutes away. And yeah, gonna go play a game. Hopefully it should be fun, and I'll bring you guys along with me. After that, we'll see what happens, but let's go play. Vamos. That's so cringe. Right, boys, so I got back from paddle about 2 hours ago. I've just been sat here finishing up some work and finished filming a PA breakdown, another one for the one-on-ones. So I'm going to send that over to them right now so that they can see the trade that I took. And yeah, the time currently is 1:30 a.m. So about getting ready to go to bed. What a day. But hopefully that's given you a good idea of what an actual day in the life of an actual day trader is. None of these LARPs like you see online. And yeah, that's genuinely the life that you guys can have if you decide not to give up and you decide to lock in. Now, I have built this life of freedom solely through day trading, which is something I'm extremely proud of. And I'm trying to help you guys do the same, right? So I have a couple of free resources that you can use to do that. Watch the rest of my YouTube videos, join the free Discord link in the description, and just stick around in the community, because everyone who sticks around inside the TRLS community ends up becoming profitable. It's just exactly how it works. In fact, speaking of, let me just show you Harry right now. He just put another screenshot in here. Look at this. This is one of my students right now. Harry just got another 1.7k payout. So that makes it 5k payouts for Harry in the last month. So yeah, all of the TRLS guys are in here cooking. Make sure you jump in the Discord. It's extremely important. And other than that, guys, I hope you really enjoyed the video. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, much love. Bye-bye.